Today, I'm going to walk you through the next steps you must take to get the stubborn remaining derogatory items off of your credit report. This is the final part in my credit disputing series, and I will go over why your items are coming back as verified and 2 tactics to take to get them removed. If you have not watched part 1 in this series, please make sure to watch it first and watch this series in order. I will make sure to link all the videos below of where to start. So in the previous video, we drafted our second round of validation letter. Now that you have waited another 30 days, let's walk through your results and what to do next. So pull up your credit report from last month, your new credit report from this month, and start going through it. You want to go through and keep track of what was deleted from what bureau, what was updated, and what derogatory items remain. Now that you have been disputing for a few months, we are wanting to tackle those remaining derogatory items and why you are getting responses like the item is verified, frivolous and irrelevant, or they won't reinvestigate. Here are some reasons why you could be getting those responses. Number 1, you are using dispute letters and not changing up the verbiage. I make sure to remind you in each video, you need to make those letters yours, simple to the point, and provide documentation. Number 2, you are not factually disputing. Instead, you're just saying blanket statements online, not actually looking at your credit report and pulling info from what is reporting. And then number 3, the bureaus are truly not providing you why and how the items are being verified. So to tackle these remaining stubborn derogatory items, there are 2 steps that we can take. Number 1 is to file a complaint with the CFPB. If these derogatory, inaccurately reporting items are just being ignored and not removed, you will want to go to this site right here and file a complaint for each item. First, you will need to go to the site, create an account for yourself, and follow the prompted questions like, what is the complaint about? What describes your problem? And then fill out the information on that certain account. It's best to provide as much info as you can, keep it factual, straight to the point, and what your desired result is, which is to delete the account or update the account. Make sure to include a picture of your driver's license, your social, and proof of residence as well. Once you submit it, you can track the status on the website anytime to see what the resolution may be. They should answer within 14 days after you submit the complaint. This is a great way to get these items off of your credit report, especially if you have proof of why it needs to be removed. And number 2 is sending out another letter to the credit bureaus. So this letter is called the method of validation letter, and it looks something like this, so make sure to screenshot it. When you are disputing to the bureaus, they must contact the original creditor and conduct a full and true investigation. It's very likely the credit bureaus did not contact the original creditor at all and just used eOscar, the automated computer system, to verify the item. And that is why your items are coming back as verified. So in this letter, you are requesting the credit bureaus to provide relevant documentation that shows clear evidence they investigated your credit dispute. You want sufficient proof that the FCRA procedures were followed and proper steps were taken to verify the dispute as accurate. Unlike in the other validation letters you have sent, you are not listing out the error reporting on that certain item. You are questioning if a full investigation was completed and how exactly did they come to this conclusion. It's good to switch up your methods and types of strategies when sending out letters to the bureaus each month. So go through and file complaints on those derogatory items that are reporting inaccurately, and then draft your next letter to the bureaus using your method of validation letter. Remember to always review the remaining derogatory items and see if any of the items are worth settling and that you have enough positive credit opening. So I hope that you enjoyed this credit disputing series. If you're ever looking to fix your credit on your own, you can check out my DIY credit repair program. I guide you through videos, provide you with a personalized action plan, and all letters are included in the program to send out to the bureaus. So you can check that program below. I linked all the information for it. And once again, my name is Ari Gruman, and I will see you in the next video.